In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PSD files without Photoshop. If you've ever received a Photoshop document and didn't have Photoshop installed, this method will let you open it, view all the layers, make quick edits, and export the result right from your web browser. Start by opening your preferred browser and going to photop.com. Photop is a powerful browser-based editor that works without any installation, which makes it perfect for quick access on any computer. Give the page a moment to load. You'll see a familiar workspace with a canvas area in the middle and panels around it. Next, look to the top left corner and click File, then choose Open. This brings up your system's file picker. Navigate to where your PSD is stored, select the file, and confirm. Depending on the size and complexity of the document, it may take a few seconds to load. Once it opens, you'll see your design on the canvas, along with a Layers panel on the right. Each layer from the original PSD should appear there, so you can toggle visibility, reorder elements, and make targeted adjustments. From here, you can edit as needed. Use the Move tool to reposition elements, the Text tool to update copy, and the Brush or Eraser tools for quick touch-ups. If a font used in the original file isn't available on your system, the text may look slightly different. You can pick a close match from the font menu to maintain the design's intent. Keep an eye on the Layers panel as you work, and consider duplicating a layer before making big changes so you can revert easily. Shortcuts you might know from Photoshop often work here too, which helps speed things up. When you're ready to share or save your result, export it in the format that fits your goal. Go to File and choose Export As. If you want to keep the document editable for future tweaks, export as PSD to preserve layers. For a web-ready or social media image, export as PNG to keep transparency or JPG for a smaller file size. Before you finalize, check options like quality, resolution, and background to ensure the output looks right. Then confirm to save it to your computer. That's all you need. Go to photop.com, click File and Open, select your PSD, then edit or export as needed. With this simple workflow, you can handle PSD files without installing anything and keep your projects moving smoothly.